Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Today I'm going to be talking about Igbo vowels. Igbo vowels are letters that if you find two of them in between two words, for example, me, you in English language, me, the ending of me is E, right? Then and the beginning of you is Y. So if the two words, the two letters, for example E and Y, they are going to be the next to each other. You leave one and put only one. I will explain it very well to you, but if you want to leave one and put the other one to make a sentence, you have to put a kind of hyphen like this, okay, to show that there was a letter there but it's eliminated. So let me make an example so that you understand what I mean. Igbo vowels, we have 8 letters of Igbo vowels, and these are A, E, O, O. Okay, there's O, normal O, and O with point under. U, U. Okay, normal U and another U with point under. And E, E. Normal I and another I with point under. Okay, these are 8 letters that are called Igbo vowels. So for example, I'm going to make, for example, a statement like this. Let's say na ime, na ime. Na ime means inside, but if you write it like this in Igbo, it's understandable, it's correct. But normally we do write it this way. N, comma at the top to show that there was A there. So, and it goes on and on. If you, for example, want to say, remember I told you that this is inside. Ime means inside. Inside. Okay. So you write it like this. Instead of na separate, ime, no. You write it N hyphen on top. You bring the I together, M together, and E together. All of them will be one word. Nime. Then if you want to write on top, nenu or nelu, depends on, because if you come to Igbo land, in Enugu state, for example, if you want to say top, we call it enu, E-N-U, enu. Okay, but if you go to, like, for example, Imo state, Abia state, they call it elu, E-L-U, elu. So, but all of them are correct. All of them mean the same thing, top. Okay, top. So if you want to write on top, nenu or nelu, you write it this way. Instead of writing N A E N U separate, you write it this way. Nenu. Okay, nenu, N hyphen on top, E-N-U, or nelu, E-L-U. The same thing, correct. I'm going to show you guys, teach you guys so many other Igbo words that are pronounced differently, but they mean the same thing. Because Igbo, we have different dialects. All of them are the same at the end of the day. So this nainu, that if you write it this way, is correct as well, but the way to shorten it and make it more understandable and more make it one word is nenu or nelu. You bring it together. You remove this A. Why do you remove the A? Here and here. Why do you remove the A? Because A and E, there are two vowel sounds. Okay. A and I are two vowel sounds as well. So you don't join two, you don't leave two of them, between as in beside by the side together. You remove one, the first one, and bring the other together. Okay. So for example, you see the vowel sounds a, o, u, i. So if you want to write ne, ni, me, na, ime, since A and I, see A and I, there are two vowel sounds. You remove this one, the first one, and you put hyphen on top, and it will become ni, me, because two of them they don't go together. So if you write it like this, somebody will understand. But the correct form of writing it is this way. The same thing is applicable to on top, nenu. So you write it this way. You remove A and bring the enu together to the end. So nenu or nelu, depending on how you want to write it. Two of them are correct. So the next word we are going to write, the next sentence or phrase that we are going to write is na or nala. Ana, A-N-A, means ground. A-L-A, ala, means ground as well. Enugu, Anambra State, maybe a boy, I think, we call it Ana. But if you go to Imo State, Abia State, they call it Ala. Okay, these are powerful, perfect Igbo words and Igbo form of pronunciations. Nobody is going to say that you got it wrong. Nobody. Okay, why am I explaining it this way? Because if, for example, I use only L, like Nelu, Nala, and teach you all the Igbo sentences, you might be going on the street, you will see an Igbo person, and the person will be speaking Nenu or Nana. You will not be like, what is Nenu? I don't know what is Nenu. What I know is Nelu. Whereas they mean the same thing. So I have to let you know, these are two words that mean the same thing. Two forms of pronounce, as in they are pronounced in different forms and written in different forms, but they mean the same thing. Okay, so nenu is the same thing with nelu. Okay, and so on and so forth. They used to sing, for example, Ekene dere Jehovah, nenu kasienu. Ekene dere mbwaya, oyiye ya namase. And that's where we are going to end today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to ask any question, anything that you don't understand. I'll be pleased to answer you if I can. Thank you very much, and God bless you.